Hi artists! Today we are going to draw a winter theme, and this is a really cute project. It's a bunny on skis. It's wintertime, and what better way to show our fun winter activities than through a skiing bunny. So you're going to need a ruler for this one, and a really good pencil, and your trusty eraser. I'll be using a Sharpie so that you can see my work. So this bunny is basically, his head is going to be up here, the body is going to be here, and the first ski is down here, and the other ski is kind of up with the poles out to the side, and he's sort of in a really fun position. So that's how you plan your page. Your head should be almost to the top, but we do need room for those ears. So if you can imagine 3/4 of the way in the center of your page, that would be great. So let's just go in and start with our first ear. And the second ear comes up a little higher than the other one. It's almost cartoonish. And the curve of his head. But this bunny is wearing some really super cool goggles. And those are like a bean shape, or a backwards letter B. So that's how that would be. It's a straight line, a line coming down with a curve for the nose and up again to meet to the other side. And then there's another outline inside of that because they look like really cool goggles. So the side of his head comes around here, and that's where the strap goes. So you will have a little line there, that's okay. The next step is the nose, cute button nose, and his mouth, bunny. He's smiling because he's having a great day on the mountain. And then we curve his head all the way around. The next step is creating a scarf. He's wearing a scarf. I know you're not supposed to do that on the ski lift, but this bunny's got a scarf, okay? And his arm is kind of holding a pole up here. So his first feature that you're going to sort of plan is his chubby little paw. And this is where you're going to need your first use of the ruler after we add the scarf. So the scarf kind of blows out in the wind here, and you'll wrap it around above his arm. And this is where you add the pole. And the pole is behind the scarf because he's holding it in the paw. So start with a line below the paw, right in the middle, so you can, it shows that it's going behind, and then angle it up into the sky. And then you can add that little round piece. So the illusion is that it's behind the scarf. And we can add a little bit more detail to that to make it thicker or thinner. It's up to you. There we go, first pole. So he's got this little arm that's waving out there, but we've got to attach the body. And we also have to finish the scarf. But the other arm is over here with the second pole. And so it comes straight out, just like that. And the pole, this pole goes up on his side. And he's holding this one in the front, which is kind of interesting. So you're just going to take your ruler and trace a line. So it's sort of parallel to that one. And then you add your little circle at the top. And again, you can make your pole as skinny or as thick as you like. I'm just going to make it a little thicker. And there we've got 2 poles and 2 paws and the scarf. The next thing is to head down for his chubby body, and he's got 2 boots of skis going. The first ski is going to be off the page, so we're going to sketch that in with your pencil, going up the side with your ruler. And it has a hook, and the other one is at the bottom. Just plan your page as best as you can. So you've got one ski and the other ski, and the next piece is to add that boot that's sticking up from his body. So don't continue his body yet, we're just going to add that chunky boot. There's his first foot, and then the second foot is back here. And now we can do the top of the boot and his leg. And don't forget, he's got a fun little bunny tail back there. Alright, so this got a little bit sideways here, but that's okay. We will continue his scarf. And that we will add in to the scarf. So let's put a curve on that ski. And you can make it dimensional with your ruler. And this one needs to be continued down to the bottom. So we're just going to add the rest of that piece down here. And there we go. And I'm going to just add a little bit of thickness to my ski, just like I did on the other one. Well, a little too thick, but that's okay. Still looks kind of cool. Great. So this is where it's up to you. You can go in and add other details to your bunny. Your bunny might have a sweater, it might be a purple bunny, it might be a pink bunny. This is all the details up to you. You can also add the ear inside portion, which is kind of a cartoonish way of adding some detail. He could also have hair, he could also have whiskers, it could be a girl bunny. So the detail is up to you. Add whatever you like. This is the beginning outline of your drawing, and this will guide you in creating your own unique, fun ski bunny. Have fun, artists. You'll see me speed up and finish this out.